Hey everybody, Midwest Picker here. My name's Dave. I'm a full-time reseller. Did I just say that? I'm a full-time father, husband, RN. I'm a part-time reseller, part-time YouTube content creator. Joey's a full-time do-nothing. He's just the mascot in the office. Enoch is a full-time life coach, so he helps me be successful reselling. Glad you're here. Welcome. This is a what sold on eBay video. The reason I do these videos is to help people new to reselling. It's not just eBay. You could be selling on Amazon, Mercari, Poshmark, Etsy, local pickup, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, all of that. I want to show you what actually sells, and that's a big learning curve for people new to reselling. I'm also going to break it down into, what was just kind of a meh, not an awesome sale, just an okay sale. What sale was awesome and gets a boom, big Dominic boom, and then the best are my sales that are home runs. So I'm going to show you what I sold, where I sourced it, what I paid for it, what it sold for, and how it shipped. Before I get into all that, I have to talk about my viral video again. This is so hilarious to me. I have an old video about 2.5 years ago, 4.5-minute video. It's a dodgeball tournament. It was a charity event. I just put it up on my YouTube channel way before I made reselling videos. It is way north of 31,000 views. YouTube somehow just kind of caught on to it and is suggesting it to people all over the planet. I'm getting the weirdest comments. I'll link it down below if you want to watch it. Stay to the very end. It's a very good video. It's real short. It's pretty cool. But then I'm going to put a picture of my analytics. So if you don't know, you can download the YouTube Studio app on your phone and you can access and manage your YouTube channel. And analytics is pretty cool. It's very important. If you want to grow your channel, you should really know your analytics. But this example here is just showing my growth. And the number of views on my channel is so awesome that YouTube actually called it out and said, wow, your views are this. So you can use that tool to look at your subscribers, how many subscribers you have, how people find your channel, what keywords they use to land on your channel. It's really pretty cool. If you don't have it, you should get it. The same thing is available on the website if you're on a laptop or a tablet or other device like that. So YouTube Analytics is very valuable. I also use TubeBuddy. I don't get any money for that, no affiliate, but I just like it. So check that out too. TubeBuddy has a free version and has very good, useful tools. All right, so now that you realized I'm not a full-time reseller, I've just been really weird lately this week. I don't know why. Probably because I haven't made a video in so long, I don't even know the script that I have memorized in my head anymore. But anyways, let's get into the first one. I really nailed it with this first one. I know. This is a 5-pound box of nails. This is new in box. I made sure it was still sealed. I bought about 4 of these for $1.25 a piece. These were at a thrift store. Everything, this colored price tag was 50% off. I couldn't believe it. So I got about 4, I think, 4 or 5 of these boxes of nails. They're 5 pounds. Now, loose nails in the box like this don't sell super well. I do a lot of tools. I do a lot of socket sets and sockets and wrenches, and I just love selling tools. And I'll tell you, if you're going to source these, professional roofers or carpenters, they use nail guns. And nails either come on a strip that are all connected or they come in a coil. So it's not too common to sell loose nails anymore, but people still do buy them and they still do use them. I think I listed these for $19.95. And then I ran a sale, so they sold for $16.96 plus priority mail shipping on top. So $1.25 into $16.96. That's not too bad. The next one's not too bad either. These are Milwaukee brand drill bits. I mentioned these in a sourcing video a while back. I can't even remember. It's $3.50, $4 a piece. I bought just like a whole armful of these. They were all hanging on pegs at the thrift store. They were already cheap, like $6 or $7, and then they were 25 or 50% off, something like that. So I just bought all of them that they had. This was another sale, so I sold it on sale, I think 15% off for $19.51 plus shipping on top. This easily shipped first class. It was about 8 or 9 ounces. So this was $3 or $4 into $19.51. Not too bad. This next one gets a big Dominic boom. This is Villeroy and Bach little tiny coffee cups. My cost of goods is 50 cents a piece. I've sold a ton of this. Older video, I bought, I don't know, 38 pieces for, I don't know, actually it was 64 pieces for like $38. I don't remember. The math came out to about 50 cents a piece. I sold a little teapot for like 75 bucks. Dinner plates, salad plates, bowls, all the same theme. It's got this like farm scene on each one. They're vintage 1984, 85. I'm kind of in the mode of wanting to purge my inventory. Me and Mrs. Midwest, we want to get into a new house by December of this year. It's 2021. Today's January 21, I believe. So roughly in about a year, we want to be in a new house. So I'm going to purge my inventory. I really want to get it down low so it's more manageable and I have more space. That way I don't have to move as much. So the price kind of bounced around on these, $24, $19 for the pair. And then I put them on sale and I said, you know what? I'm just going to send out an offer. I had 4 watchers. I sent out an offer for 16 bucks and they accepted it plus priority mail shipping on top. So I took it. Well, of course I took it. I sent them the offer. So I'm just putting everything on sale. I'm going to try like a 7-day sale, a 14-day sale, leaving best offers on. Sometimes I get offers only when things are on sale. It's really weird, but I don't care. I'm very careful. I still have very good margins, as you can tell, but I really want to just push this inventory out. Next one is a home run.
You can put it on the board.
This is called an invisible door closer, new in the box. I got this at a thrift store for $6. I knew when I saw it, it was very heavy, kind of commercial grade. And like I mentioned the last time I sold one of these, if it was loose, just kicking around on the shelf, I probably wouldn't have bought it. I don't know. But because it was new in the box with the instructions, never been used, I grabbed these. There was only 2 of them, and I grabbed both of them for $6 a piece. This was originally $79.95 just for one of these invisible door closers. Can you believe that? 80 bucks for this thing. And then I put it on sale. And then somebody sent me an offer for 50 bucks. And I thought, you know what? $6 into 50 bucks. Oh yeah, I'll do that all day long. I accepted the offer. They paid priority mail shipping on top. Gone. Home run number 1. Correction. Free priority mail shipping. That's very rare that I do that. But because the margin was so high and there was some competition, I decided to take a chance and do that just to push the inventory out. So I did have to eat about $7.85. But I don't care. Still a home run. This next one was kind of dumb. Online auctions, I get a little caught up in the auction fever. I'm not doing that right now. I took a break for a few months. But a local auction house, everything was online because of the public health emergency. And they had a set of like Honda Civic replacement taillights. They had 2 sets. I don't even know what I paid now. Probably way too much. I think I paid like $8 to $10 for each set, which was really dumb. This is a dumb one. I share everything with you guys. Home runs, boom, meh, okay sales, and then duds. This one, not necessarily a dud. I almost broke even. I made a very tiny net profit, maybe $4, but that to me is not worth it because I spent a half hour trying to box up this stupid thing because it takes up a lot of space, a really big box. I did have this at $42 and then I put it on sale. It sold for $36.51 plus shipping on top, but it was like a flat rate, $9.99. I think the shipping only came to like $10, so I was okay with that. Went to Louisiana. Would I do it again? No. I'll do small car parts that are easy, like a hood ornament or little electronic parts or whatever. But these taillights, it was 4 pieces. It was big and bulky, and they're not worth hardly anything, and I overpaid. So if you get them for free or really inexpensively, then it would be worth your time. But for $10 into $36.51, for me personally, it's not worth my time. If I was full-time, high-volume seller, like 1,000 listings or more, then I would probably do it. But I'm trying to bring it down. High margin, low volume, part-time guy. So if this comes up again in the future, I'm going to take a pass. Next one is a home run.
You can put it on the board.
This is a vintage poster I got from Mr. Buys a Lot. This was a wholesale purchase. He did this before his auctions. Go to his YouTube channel. He doesn't do it anymore, I don't think, but you could buy like 50 posters or 25 posters. I bought a total of like 65 posters. I think my cost of goods is about $5.25 per poster. I can't remember. It's close to that. This is the movie Three Amigos, and I always make the mistake. I always call it The Three Amigos, but it's just Three Amigos. Vintage, genuine, one-sheet movie poster. I put this on sale, $50.96. I think it was $59.99, something like that. But anyways, it sold for asking price for $50. I did the rare free first class shipping because it's so cheap. I can easily calculate it. I know when I ship this poster, it's going to be about 7 ounces, about $3.45. No big deal. The margins are high enough and there's competition. So I recently changed a lot of light items that I know how much it costs to ship to free first class shipping, and my sales have been pretty robust. Next one is a boom. Big Dominic boom. This is a deer spinner. Well, I call it a deer spinner. It's really not. This is a plate that you attach to a motor to attach to a tree or a fence post that on a timer it'll dump food on the ground. Hunters use this for baiting animals and hunting. I sourced a whole bunch of these, like 15 of them for 25 cents a piece. Now there is competition. There's a whole lot of them on eBay, but my margins are awesome. So I don't care if I offer free first class shipping. Like I said, it's really light. It's going to only cost me like $3.50 no matter where it goes. This one sold for $11 on sale. I started at like $12.95, $14.95, something like that. But there's other ones on eBay, so I put them on sale. And then I changed the shipping from a flat $3 first class to a free first class. And now they're churning out and I'm selling them pretty good. So 25 cents into $11, and then I have to eat $3. That's not bad. That's pretty good margin. So I call that a little home run, in the park home run. This next one was really dumb. This was a pewter platter. Now this is a company that patented their own pewter. They have different elements in the metal, so it's not really pewter. It's kind of different. It's called Armatail, something like that. I'll put the name up here, whatever. It's really not worth that much. I thought it was. I tried to look up comps in the thrift store, and I thought I saw $25, $35, but I was wrong. Cost of goods was about $4. It is cool if you collect these, but as far as flipping them, there's not a lot of money in it. Sold for $12.71 on sale, plus priority mail shipping on top. Now, if this was made by Tiffany or Cartier, then it would definitely be worth a ton of money. But this is just a little company, I think, in Pennsylvania. They make pitchers and platters and different things. Nothing wrong with it if you want to own it. But if you're going to source it for $4 or $6 or $8, it ain't worth flipping. You're not going to make any money. So for me, this one was a dud. This next one is just a meh, because I sourced it for free, so no big deal. But this is a collector plate. Collector plates are very, how should I say, oversaturated. A lot of companies make them, and they make them by the tens of thousands. So like NASCAR plates and Princess Diana plates, you have to be very careful. Some of them have value. Most of them don't have a whole lot of value. So if you can source them cheap, like I did this one for free, then you might be okay. I would not pay a whole lot of money unless you really know what you're doing. You have to really be an expert when it comes to collector plates if you're going to flip them and make a profit. So this one was $19.95. I was sick of looking at this thing. Somebody sent me an offer of $10 and I took it. I mean, I sourced it for free, so why not? And I want to purge my inventory. So I probably could have waited longer and got more money, but I'm tired of waiting. This has been up, 6 months in my eBay store. Plus they paid the priority mail shipping on top. So this one was a meh. This next one was kind of dumb. Now you might not agree with me on this one. A lot of people sell this stuff, but these are blank DVDs. These are DVD plus R, little box of 5, I believe. Now, there's nothing wrong with blank media. I sell blank VHS tapes all the time, blank cassettes all the time. That stuff sells really well. DVD plus R and DVD dash R and RW and all that stuff is just very nichey. It's really hard to figure out what people want. Now, if you can find oddball stuff like DVD RAM and mini DVDs and all of those oddball things, brand new still in the package, new old stock, that will sell really, really good. This one is just very generic. I paid $2 or $3 for this at a Goodwill. I had it listed for $9.95 forever. Out of the blue, someone sent me an offer for $6, so I took it just so I could purge my inventory. Would I do it again? No. I wouldn't even take this for free to flip it. There's just no way. I'll take stuff or buy stuff that, like I said, are unusual blank beta tapes, if those even exist. You know, those weird things, especially new old stock still sealed, will sell for great money. Blank CDs, blank DVDs, good luck to you. This next one is a boom Black & Decker power scissors. These are cordless power scissors. If you didn't know that, Black & Decker for about 10 years made cordless scissors, kind of like a cordless drill. Crafters love these things. You can cut anything with these. I think you could even cut leather and suede with these things. I sold a brand new pair in the box for $45 that I sourced from a flea market for like $8. That was really good. I saw these at a thrift store that was going out of business. I think my cost of goods is $5. I tested them. I put that in the description. I knew that it was going to sell because immediately I got views. I had 4, 6, 8 watchers on this thing. So I was kind of reluctant to put it on sale, but after a month, I thought, why not? I'll just do 15% off. They sold for $25.46. So $5 into $25, that's a boom. Not too shabby. This is a great BOLO too. If you see these out in the wild, test them if you can. But Black & Decker cordless power scissors, guaranteed to sell. My last item is a BOLO and another boom. It's a math book. This is geared towards people who homeschool. I found this in the bottom of my closet. We have a spare bedroom and a closet full of board games, and this was just sitting on the bottom of the closet with some other books. I almost threw it away because, like I said, we're moving, so we're purging the house, chucking stuff, selling stuff, packing stuff up. We're getting, ahead of ourselves because we're not moving till December. But I saw this book and I thought, math book, I'm going to look it up. So I scanned it, and man, brand new. This thing is 30, 40, 50 bucks. I thought, wow. Used, anywhere from $15 to $30. Basically, the cost of goods is zero. I don't remember when we got it. I don't remember how we got it. I did have it on my store for $38. I took a best offer of $20 plus shipping on top, and I took it. I figured, why not? I didn't pay for it. So that's the video, guys. That's what sold on eBay. I haven't had a Macari sale in a long, long time. I don't know what I'm going to do with Macari. I've got like 8 or 9 items listed there that are doing nothing. Yesterday, I sent out some offers. I haven't heard anything. So I'm probably going to take a break on Macari too. When we get into the new house and the new eBay office and we get settled in, maybe I'll ramp back up onto Macari. For sure, my eBay and my YouTube. Once we get in the new house, I'm going to crank up my time on that too. So that's the video, guys. If you have any comments, any questions, please put it down in the comment section. You can contact me. Go to midwestpicker.com, or my email is down below. Send me any questions you have. I love to answer questions. I'm also on Instagram, so when I sell something, within the hour, I put it on Instagram. So follow me over there, Midwest_picker, and then you can see what sold immediately. I forgot to mention, his name's Joey. If you're new to the channel, he's my sidekick. Enoch is an original painting, not for sale. So that's it, guys. Hit that like button, and if you're new here, please subscribe so you'll get a notification when I go live. I go live every Sunday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Lately, I've been doing food taste testing of like disgusting, nasty food. It's so gross. So if you missed any of those, check the replays. Hit the button. That's it. See you next time.